Alright, welcome to your e-task, and this is something that you will need to complete your responses online and submit online. Everyone is expected to submit this task. I should see all 39 responses in. Okay, so basically what this task is about is I'll be giving you an open-ended question, and in this open-ended questions there will be some responses that you need to type in. So I should have individual responses all in when we meet in class. So what exactly is this question about? Let's take a look at the question. Alright, now the question is this. You have this guy called Junlong. He conducted an experiment using two similar pots of plants, G and H. The two pots were placed in a garden and watered with the same amount of water at the start of the experiment. So how does pot G look like? How does pot H look like? So this is pot G. You have pot G with a clear bag. You notice the location of the clear bag. And let's take a look at how pot H looks like. So pot H looks like this. You have also got a clear bag, but you notice the location of the clear bag. Alright, so there's two setups. So in your head, you should roughly get an idea of what type of question is this. Alright, when you are looking at two different setups. So the results are actually shown below, which I'm going to show the results. You have pot G. The mass of pot G at the start of the experiment was 5,000 grams, and after one day it dropped to 4,009. So what about pot H? Let's take a look. Pot H at the start it was 5,000, and after one day it was still 5,000. Alright, so quite an interesting question. Somehow the mass didn't drop. So what is the question that will be asked? Number one, explain why there was a decrease in mass for pot G. Alright, pot G dropped from 5,000 to 4,009, right? So explanation question, I would like to see your response in. And the second question is, then how come there was no change in mass for pot H? Pot H after one day is still 5,000. Alright, so how are you going to submit your responses? This is the instructions. You will need to go to this website. We have gone to these websites before. goformative.com/join. Enter the code SNTAUK for you to go into our room, and you will type in your two responses. Alright, there's no need for you to visit the website and edit again, because we will be visiting the responses in class when we meet in class. So if you need to pause the video to look at the information on how to log in, you may do so. And also if you need to pause the video to re-look at the question, you can also do so now. This is the question. Alright, so we'll see you back in class.